Slow motion, Tom. That's stupid. That's so stupid. How about it's like the wedding cake? Hi, honey.
Hi.
You came out here all by yourself?
Yep.
Without me asking you to?
Yep.
You just worked a full day and now you're out here. Oh, look at you. It's not really that hot. You can wear a shirt.
I can wear a shirt. So I got a plan.
You got, what's your plan?
Okay, so this is 32.
Yep.
The doorway is 31 and a half, basically,
Okay.
give or take.
Okay.
So rather than me planing off a half of inch, run it through the saw. Cut it off.
That's your plan?
Yep. Yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Why not?
I don't know. That seems like it could get jammed there. It could have a whole bunch of trouble.
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
I'm going to have to help you with that.
You're going to have to help me.
I don't want to go near that saw when it's going.
Well, what I'm going to do, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to do it. So, you will be on the out end of it. I'll be on the in end of it. And we'll go like this. And basically, I'll get it situated straight against the fence. And I'll push it.
Okay, half an
And
inch.
you can hold it there. We just run it to full length.
Okay, make sure I don't hold it there.
Right. You don't put your hands anywhere near the
Okay.
blade.
All right.
But you don't have to put your hands anywhere near the blade.
Okay.
Yeah, so there. And you don't want to pull it.
No.
Just let me push it.
Yeah.
You're just guiding.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.